Hey y'all, what's up? So I'm back with another install. For today's video, I'm gonna be putting a wig over some dreads. I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I like braid the dread back, stuff like that. And now this is another first because I've never actually put a wig over dreads, but I'm just gonna treat it like I'm doing regular hair. Except, you know, the dreads, thank goodness the dreads are a little fine and not too thick, so that allows me to get like a super flat braid down. So what I do is I just kind of part a row of two and I just go ahead and braid it all the way back. I did not go across the nape like I normally do. I should have, but you know, it's already dreads. I didn't want to be doing too much, so I just braided it straight back and then put the first dread and the second dread and just continued on just like that. So I parted like I said, about 2 rows and braided it back, and luckily her hair is fine and I got a super flat braid down, which is not usual if you're doing with dreads, so I was lucky to have that. So just keep on watching, you guys. Today's hair is going to be from Tinashe Hair. In the packages, they sent me a comb, they sent me some clips, some lashes, a cap, a nightcap, a wig cap, and edge brushes, and of course the wig. So the wig today is their curly 13x4 HD lace front wig. It's about 24 inches. I did have to bleach the knots for these. So when you're ordering, make sure you know if you want it already bleached or the hairline was a little bit plucked. Once I got done with the install, I realized maybe I should have plucked a little bit more out just for my client's hairline and stuff like that. But it did come pre-plucked and I did have to bleach it. The hair is wet now because it's freshly bleached knots, and I'm just gonna dry it on the inside so that, you know, I'm not putting a wet wig on my client's head. And then, yeah, let's get back to the video. this is the final look, you guys. So again, this hair is by Tinashe Hair. This is their curly 13x4 HD lace front wig, and this is 24 inches long. If you guys want to purchase this, I do have a discount code with 15% off by using code Duchess, DUCHESS. All right, so all the information will be in the description bar. If you guys did want to purchase, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.